A warm welcome to Government Comprehensive Higher Secondary School Sahiwal, which leaves no stone unturned into groom our personality with the education to bright the future.
It promotes sense of thinking, analyzing, problem solving through critical thinkings and creativities.
Trending progressive tools like AI, advanced digital skills, and technology excel our career and future scope.
We improve our ideology and vision by learning at school.
We want to become a frugal so we can learn it truly at school and manage our economics.
Our educators assert us to know how to enhance discipline and organization.
Monthly parent-teacher meetings are conducted to effectively communicate students' academic progress and overall development with parents.
We proudly excel in cricket, STEM, and academic excellence, earning recognition as champions in multiple domains.
Creative initiatives and critical thinkings create confidence and leadership through group tasks.
Science exhibitions are organized to foster innovation, critical thinking, and practical skills.
To be the honorable and civic members, we are trained to the flourish sense of respect in society and country.
Our institution has secured first position in SSC exam in Sahiwal Education Board, and we also have been honored with prestigious international awards in STEAM activities.
Government Comprehensive Higher Secondary School really provides a complete profile to develop skills, character building, and a bright career.
Assalamualaikum Ali, how are you? Walaikum Assalam Ahmed, I am fine. Why did you leave your school? I left my private school and private school are like blood suckers. Why? Because of heavy dues, expensive books and expensive uniforms. You right, many students cannot afford. Yes, they care more about money than students. That's why I left my private school. Good, you know many students from government school become doctor, engineer and officer. I agree. सरकारी स्कूल मियारी स्कूल
सब कुछ मुझे अब है देखना है सीखना मुझे बस एक स्कूल चाहिए जो कहे